Alright, so I'm here in Darvin's garage, currently waiting for him to show up. Today we're probably going to be working on his CRV a little bit. We gotta do his brakes. I think he said serpentine belt. I think that's it though. So just waiting for him to show up, and we'll pull that in, and we'll get to work on that.
I gotta put this.
So this is what we're currently going to be working on today.
The daily is broken.
Yeah, we actually have to work on his daily.
I still don't know why it made that noise though. Cause what I'm guessing is that it made that noise because the way I have my wheel turned.
What noise?
Like when the serpentine belt was hitting.
Oh.
Cause it didn't do it when I came out of work. So I honestly have no idea.
Maybe the belt's falling apart more.
Probably, but I decided to be smart. And, oh wait, first of all, I gotta take my tires out.
Alright, so let's do unboxing real quick.
This is one rotor. This is up for this. So add to the mess of stuff that I have.
IS300 rotor.
Another IS300 rotor.
IS300 rotor.
Hardware for the e-brakes.
E-brake hardware.
Grease. It came with grease. I don't know what the grease is for, but it came with grease.
To grease them.
That's good. I also got head studs. Head gasket. See? Now we got two parts. This is for that. And hold up. Serpentine belt. Pads. And that should be... Oh wait, hold up. I forgot one more thing.
Tires courtesy of Fortuned.
Yeah, you got Fortune sponsored tires.
Yo, everyone, down in the description, we're gonna link Fortune's channel. Y'all should follow them. Fortune Garage.
Yeah. They're the more expensive of us.
Yeah.
One thing is I could easily just like do the spark plugs on the IS300 and not deal with this. But I kind of need the daily.
Yeah, I think the daily is more important.
But I really don't want to do this, like at all. Like at all.
That'll be easy. That's gonna cut to us like struggling immediately. Alright, so we now have it jacked up. Taking the wheels off. These are pads.
Those are the
rear
pads
pads.
that come with this.
These are front pads, rear pads, serpentine belt.
I might need rotors. I'm not gonna lie to you. I might need rotors. I did not buy rotors for this car. I don't know. The fronts are good. This is the back, but it's probably because I was abusing my e-brake.
Ah, she's good.
Should be decent. So that's working. So these are easy though.
Yeah, they just filled up.
This is stuff that I've been needing to do for what, the past months? Yeah, months that I've been needing to do, and I have not done it at all. Where's your thing? Your electric ratchet. That should be the only thing.
Yeah, just gotta wait.
Oh. No, this is just pushed in.
It's just push?
Yeah, these are just pushed. So with this, we're using a C-clamp and an old pad. Well, these weren't even bad.
Not too bad.
Yeah, but I still gotta replace like the front, so. I know the fronts are bad. This is not the right way to do it. Do not do it this way. Like, take it to a professional. Don't do it yourself. This is just the way that I learned, so that's the way that I'm gonna do it. And also, don't ever like dangle your caliper. That's very bad, and it could also cause your brake lines to stretch or get broken. But this is not a how-to, and do not do it the way we do it. Cause we are not mechanics. We just like working on cars. We're about to be professional and have the daily be a daily. People can use either the old brake pad or a piece of wood or the actual tool, because they do sell a tool for that. But we do not use none of that. So we're just using like a C-clamp. We're using a C-clamp and the old brake pad. And that should be it. Once these are compressed, and I can just put the pads back on. Oh, I gotta put anti-seize on it.
This was the one that last time it was the caliper was bad. That's the caliper off the Odyssey.
This one?
Yeah.
Yeah, this thing's that I didn't like. I knew about it, but I forgot. I know 100% the one in the front is a new caliper, but that's actually off a CRV because I took that one. Is it up or down? Wait.
That goes on the back.
Yeah. Oh, like this.
Hmm.
Yo, my dude. Alright, that worked.
Tight.
So you just hit it and that's it. It works. Now we're up to the front and we'll see how it actually goes. It's the same exact process though. Yo, did you torque these?
Probably.
Wait, this was me.
Oh,
I
yeah,
did
you
this
did
one.
this caliper.
Yeah. That's the new caliper that I was talking about. Easy. See, I could have just... I'm gonna break this. This might break. Okay, it is gonna break. Never mind. This is not a brand new caliper. This is like at all. Same thing. Just pry them off and like that. What a smell. I think I just figured out another problem.
What?
Just look at my boot.
The axle?
Yeah.
Oh, that axle's been bad. I told you about that last time we did brakes on it.
Oh yeah. You know what else? I gotta replace my intake.
And also the lack of drive shaft.
Oh yeah, that too. I think that I'm more focused on that though. And by more focused, I mean I'm not going anytime soon to go and get it. Yo, you see how easy this is? I should have done this a long time ago. Like a long time ago. Yeah. Oh yeah. That thing is for the back. So every single one that has this goes in the back.
The squealer.
The squealer, yeah.
Squealer
when it
goes.
squeals,
Squealer goes inboard.
Yeah, should be good. Alright, so it should do that, but I don't think it is. Alright, little. Alright, edit. First time in what, 4 years? That. I'm gonna still torque it. I'm just. Right now what I'm doing is just making sure that they don't fall off while I spin the car. Yeah. It took like only 2 minutes to move the car. Again.
All the dirt on your back now.
Nah. That's from me working on the car. Ah, that's good. And same process as the other side. No.
Like the
Yep.
thing I work.
Yo, I could actually see my exhaust. Yeah, this is bad. You could like.
Yeah.
That's the problem.
It's pretty rusty.
Pretty rich. That's broken. I've hit myself in every finger so far.
Oh, that bracket's on this side.
So now we turn it on. Never mind.
I was gonna say, wasn't it doing the same thing on the other side?
Yep. I don't want to do this car no more. Perfect. Done. Alright, that's it's not supposed to do that. These are the only bad ones. That's how they look.
Yeah, that's pretty
This is
bad.
actually like very bad. See, I also like I'm supposed to be like wire brushing these to make sure they sit right and all that. Oh, I actually do have wire brushes here. Not doing that though. They aren't even that bad. That's not even going in.
Like at all?
Well, I don't know. Put them right here. I'm not dealing with this. I don't think so.
Mother C's caliper.
If it sees, I don't want to deal with this. I'm actually hoping it's going in because I don't know.
No, it wouldn't more than before.
Yeah, there it actually went in a little bit. Should be good, right?
Yeah, it should be.
Yeah. That is not working.
Oh, is it?
Yo, so this car's about to be done.
So I need a belt.
This belt is bad. Now let's see how to do this side. That's how you do brakes. See how easy it is to do brakes? Now this is the problem. Cause I don't even like know how to do nothing. So this is the new K24 ski. This came out of a Ford Escape. And I decided to ski. You know how much easier it would have been if you could literally see like where it's actually.
Oh, yo, it's shredding belt everywhere.
Yeah.
That's all belt material right there.
Well, I got this. Watch this.
You're gonna bring the. Looks like a lightsaber on camera. So this is all. I mean, it's mixed with oil, but also belt material. As you can see, the belt itself is literally falling apart.
Kind of cool.
Kind of.
Yup.
Looks like this whole rib is like completely gone and shredded off.
Wait, so it goes here. Oh, I see the tensioner. Oh, that's right there. This might be easy.
Yeah, we say that, and then we should look at how long.
Yo, that was very easy.
That belt is shot.
The what?
Shot. Bad.
How bad? Hold on. First of all, you hold this. So I want to see this belt. I want to see how bad this belt actually was. Yeah, this belt was cooked. Nah, you can see it mainly right here. Hold it. Right here. It's not focusing on the belt. There it is. Yeah, that's how bad the belt actually was. I'm gonna get the 14 on that to put. Should I get the other belt? Well,
Yeah.
should I look at a diagram to see how it actually goes on?
That too. So currently we have the belt where this is how I'm holding tension. He's down here trying to get on all the pulleys. You're not really gonna be able to see much.
At all.
So
Because I'm inside like the car basically.
yeah, he's part of the car now. So when he gets it ready, I'm gonna pull the tension and then he's gonna slip the belt on.
I'm done.
Ah,
It went on.
it's on?
Yeah.
Alright, keep spinning it over a little bit.
I should put a fucking extension on this.
Just make sure there's nothing kind of hanging off anywhere.
Well, down here it looks good.
Yeah, everything
Let me
looks good.
just feel the water pump.
Yeah, it looks
Water
good so
pump's
far.
good.
Hell
Tank is
yeah.
good.
So, so the belt is installed. We did it 100% the proper correct way.
It only took like 5 minutes, so you could do this at home or anything. It won't take that long at all.
Yeah, all we used was these 2 wrenches.
Yeah, and yeah, that's it. Just 2 wrenches and that's it. You only need a
just these 2
14.
wrenches. A 14 and a 15.
A 14 and a 15. So it's easier if you have somebody else with you. It's easier if you have somebody else with you, so they could actually hold that while you put the other, like where you put the actual belt on. But Taking 5 minutes, you get it done. It's so easy to do.
Yeah, it only took us like a few minutes. It wasn't that bad.
Let's start the car, make sure it actually works.
Hey, that looks good to me.
Baby drivers, it works. It turned on, which means it's good. That means it cranked. And then the alternator also went, because I did not get a battery light. So it only took like 5 minutes. And oh no, in total to get like the brakes done and the serpentine belt done, it's like cool 20 minutes. It's not that bad. Oh, and I also did a rotation too. So it's not that bad, you know.
Did a rotation, both wheels are on the ground.
I thought about doing a rotation.
We set it up to do it, but
I'm not gonna lie, I think I still didn't do it. I think that's still coming up here.
yeah.
So yeah, it doesn't even take that long. Like, it's not dark. It's not dark outside at all. This is, the sun is still shining. Yeah.
Well, the belt's on at least. That's all done. The brakes, finished with those.
Yeah.
You just gotta get the wheels back on, and then
That's it.
the maintenance on the CRV is done.
So this concludes this video. You guys will never see this car again, unless you actually will see it, because I have to remove I have to do an axle and my VTEC solenoid.
Drive shaft.
Oh yeah, and my drive shaft. Oh yeah, I gotta do my drive shaft. So you guys might see this, hopefully this summer. 100% this summer you guys will see it, because I need this car to actually work for the winter. But yeah, I'm not gonna show me doing the rotation. Just know it's gonna get done. But yeah, I ain't leaving that shit at that.
Yeah, so that's it. We're done with this. That's it.
You never seen it.